Alright, now we have our foundation and concealer on. This would normally be the point in time in a foundation routine where I would powder and make sure that we really set those under eyes and like make sure that there's not any creasing and that everything is like all set down and ready to move on to the next steps. But we went full beat, full glam, full coverage. So we're gonna, oh, I just found a bobby pin in my hair. Okay, we don't need that. All right. Pull it together, Iftin. Pull it together. So now that we have everything done, we're going full beat. Time to cream contour. So I've got here, this is the Fenty matchstick in the color Mocha. And we're gonna go in and we're gonna cream contour because you want to do all liquid and cream products before moving on to any kind of powder. So kind of carve out that cheekbone. I love this one because it's a really cool tone. I'm kind of just go in here. And carve out the jaw. So this is great. I love this. I'm also going to go in with a different contour. So this is the KKW Beauty contour sticks. I have both the color medium, which is really similar. The medium 2 is the one that I like best. I find it very, very similar to the matchstick. So I don't really feel like I need to do a lot more. I'm going to go in with the medium. This is contour 1 on my nose. Go down the side. Can you see that? I'm not even sure if you can see that. That might be way too light. The contour, medium 1. I'm going to go in medium 2. Yeah, this is the one. This is the one that's very, very similar to that matchstick in Mocha. So this is medium contour 2. Yeah, there you go. Alright, down both sides and on the tip. And now I'm going to move in to the dark contour stick and I'm going to go with color 1. This one's very, very dark. You can see in comparison. And on this I'm just going to keep right on the forehead. I don't want to... Right on the forehead and then just a little bit right here. Not taking it as far down as I did that other contour. So you just right there and right on the forehead. And now I'm going to try something new that I haven't done before. I am going to try to blend out this contour with the Clarisonic. So this is the Clarisonic Foundation Makeup Brush Head. This is actually my old Clarisonic that I've had for years and years and years. I don't use it to wash my face anymore because it doesn't hold a charge, but it should be good in charge now. I got the foundation brush. I thought I would use this one for makeup since I have a new one that I actually use to wash my face, so I don't care if this one gets all like gunky and dirty from makeup. So I'm going to try to blend it out and see how it works. Oh wow. Oh, that's blending. Look at that. Look how well that's blending. It just blends into like nothing. Wow. Oh wow. I thought that this would work, but I didn't know it would work this well. Wow, okay. That is just blending away so easily. Sometimes I've had really lots of trouble. Sometimes my friends know. We were supposed to be going out. It was an end of the year party last year, and I was meeting friends, and we were supposed to like get dinner together before, and then they're like, "Where are you?" And I was like, hold up a sec. I have a contouring disaster. I'm not going to be there on time. Because I tried to use a cream contour stick, and it just went so far. Oh, it went so wrong so quickly. This, wow. I've never cream contoured and had it actually look like this good before, so this is incredible. I think you can still see it. It's very subtle. I'm gonna actually go in with a little more of that dark. Oops, that's dark too. This is dark too. That's too dark. Not dark side 2. We're gonna go just dark side 1. And just really kind of, this blends so easily. Wow, I'm really impressed. Like, really impressed. I don't know if I'd recommend, like, going out and buying a Clairsonic that's really expensive just so you can do this. But I've been using the Clairsonic on my face for years. I mean, I think I got it sophomore year in college from my dermatologist. So I already had this. I know I like the Clairsonic, but this is just like out of this world good. Yeah, okay. Next time I want to try that for more than just contour, but I'm really digging how that contour looks right now. Wow, I knew that this would work. I thought it would work, but I did not see this working as well as it does. Like, that was just, you can still see the contour, but it's really subtle, which I think is what you kind of want for a cream contour. You don't want it to be like super duper in your face. I have makeup on my earring. Oh yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. All right, so now that we're done with the cream products, time to move on to powder.